Andre Stevens called me out on August 3rd, 2026 on his Midday Connection show. Now let me respond. Let me first say this: I don't do drama, bagga-bagga, or mix-up. Andre Stevens has publicly called me out, so I am responding to correct the false narrative being circulated about me. Let us get straight into it. The real reason behind my dismissal was that I used my own knowledge and skills to help Ishmael build his YouTube channel. I was subsequently accused of insubordination. Because Andre has a personal disagreement with Ishmael, he apparently expected me to take his side, cut Ishmael off, and stop speaking to him. Let me make something perfectly clear. Andre's war is not my war. I am a YouTube channel creator. This is my profession. I create channels, produce content, develop brands, and help creators work towards monetization. Helping Ishmael was not an act of disloyalty or insubordination. It was simply me using my professional skills. Now that Andre has publicly discussed the laptop and my outstanding payments, I must set the record straight. When I started working with Andre in PDTV, I brought my own brand new HP laptop. I use that laptop every day to edit videos and produce content for PDTV 3 times per day, 6 days per week. After approximately 3 years of heavy use doing company work, my personal laptop eventually crashed. Andre later gave me an Acer laptop as a replacement for the personal laptop I had lost while carrying out work for him and PDTV. It was never presented to me as a loan, nor did I steal it or secretly take it from him. It was also never described as part of a termination package or as payment for outstanding employment benefits. That was when everything got out of hand. A conversation held privately and in confidence should never be taken into a public group. That was a serious betrayal of trust. Therefore, when Andre speaks about loyalty, I must ask, where was his loyalty to me? I acknowledge that I received my regular salary for the month. However, according to my records, my notice pay and outstanding leave entitlements for approximately 3.5 years of service remain unresolved. The laptop cannot suddenly be labeled as my final payment or used to cancel money that I believe is legally owed to me. I am not asking for anything I did not earn. I am simply requesting a fair settlement for the years I worked and the significant contribution I made to the company. Let me also make this clear. I helped to build Andre's platform in PDTV through years of hard work, producing, editing, and creating content. Andre did not build me. Andre did not give me a platform either. I was already a YouTube content creator before I met him. In fact, I teach other people how to create, develop, and manage their own YouTube channels. Therefore, I have to laugh when I hear the claim that Andre built me or gave me a platform. My knowledge, experience, and skills existed long before I started working with him. I was also the one worker who never begged Andre for anything. I have always stood on my own 2 feet and worked for everything I have. Therefore, Andre needs to stop telling the public about all the things he supposedly did for me. Anything I received was connected to the work and value I contributed. It was not charity, and it was not a personal favor. I have also observed that when Andre is appealing to the public for financial support, private conversations are sometimes brought into the public domain. I will not participate in that kind of drama, bagga-bagga, or mix-up. Some people may fall for the bait, but I will remain focused on the facts, the evidence, and the proper process. I have tried to handle this matter respectfully. I am therefore asking Andre to stop using his program to expose, embarrass, or misrepresent me publicly. Allow the Ministry of Labor to examine the matter and make a determination based on the facts and the available evidence. All I am requesting is the outstanding payment and employment benefits that I honestly earned. Andre Stevens called me out, and this is my response. I have said what I needed to say. Now I will allow the facts and the evidence to speak for me. Regards, Michy, Dex.